All right, so today we're really diving into construction automation, uh, more specifically, how it can, like, totally change the game for your business.
Yeah.
We're talking Owen Howard's article,
Okay.
Streamlining Your Construction Business with Automation and Workflows. And let me tell you,
All right.
this isn't some surface level stuff.
Okay.
He goes deep.
Yeah.
He lays out over 50 automation ideas. Wow. Which, to be honest, when I first saw that number,
Right.
I was like, whoa, okay, where do I even begin?
Yeah, it can be overwhelming.
Totally.
Yeah.
But that's what we're here for.
Exactly.
Break it down.
Yeah.
And what I found really interesting is how Hager, takes the scariness out of automation. You know, he starts with something that we all use every single day.
Right.
Emails, texts, you're already automating without even realizing it.
Exactly. Exactly.
You know?
It's true.
And it's that simple. He's like, look,
Right.
it doesn't have to be this big, scary tech monster.
Yeah.
You know?
Right.
And it really ties into his whole thing about breaking down these, everyday tasks, these 3 to 10 step processes.
Yeah.
Suddenly, it's like, oh,
Right. Right.
it's not so daunting anymore.
Exactly.
You know, and the payoff.
Yeah.
He highlights some major wins. I mean, we're talking increased efficiency,
Absolutely.
improved accuracy,
For sure.
better communication,
Communication.
time management.
Yes.
I mean, all of which, let's be honest, any business owner, that's music to their ears, right?
Yeah. Oh, 100%. I mean, that's what it's all about.
Because it all comes down to the bottom line.
The bottom line.
And speaking of music to my ears,
All right.
Hager gets into these real-world examples.
Okay. Yeah.
He found that just automating invoice generation alone can save businesses up to 20 hours per month.
Wow. That's a lot of time.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
20 hours.
That's like a whole extra day.
What would you do with 20 extra hours a month?
Right. I know. It makes you think,
I know.
what could we be doing with that time?
Exactly. And it's not even just about saving time.
Right.
It's about reducing those errors.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean,
Huge.
and it's all about making those strategic choices, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's like Hager saying, hey, let the robots handle that repetitive stuff. You focus on the big picture, on growing your business.
Exactly.
Right. And one of the things he emphasizes, is choosing the right software.
Right. That's key.
Something that integrates with your existing systems.
Right. You don't want to create more work for yourself.
Exactly. No more silos. You want tech that works for you.
Exactly.
Not the other way around.
100%. Yeah.
So, are you ready to unpack some of Hager's automation gold?
Let's do it. I'm excited.
Because I was really intrigued by his ideas for project kickoff notifications.
Okay.
Imagine this.
Yeah.
A new project gets the green light and boom.
Yeah.
Automated notifications with all the essential details.
Right.
Delivered to every stakeholder instantly. No more running around like crazy trying to make sure everybody's got the memo.
Right.
Got the right info.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And talk about just streamlining things from the get-go.
Oh, for sure.
Hager's insights on the automated invoicing.
Yeah. Yeah.
That really spoke to me.
Okay.
You hit a project milestone. The system's invoice generated sent.
Done. It's like having a robot accountant in the background.
Right.
Just making sure that money is coming in consistently.
It's all about that cash flow, baby.
That's it. That's the lifeblood.
And speaking of keeping things running smoothly.
Okay.
Hager also goes into the dreaded timesheet collection.
Oh, I was just thinking about that the other day.
Oh, yeah.
It's nobody's favorite task. Nobody likes doing timesheets.
Right. But it's got to get done.
It's got to get done.
Exactly.
But imagine a system where it's not only reminding your team, hey, log those hours.
Right.
But then it's automatically compiling it all.
Yeah.
For payroll.
And then boom, sending it right off to, whatever accounting software.
No more chasing down those paper timesheets.
Exactly.
No more last minute calculations.
Yeah, just smooth sailing.
Accurate, on-time payroll.
Makes everybody happy.
Everybody's happy.
Yeah.
And since we're talking about happy, let's talk about client relationships.
Okay, yeah.
Hager, he really stresses how important, that strong communication is.
Yeah.
And how automation can play a key role in that.
Yeah, because you can set it up so that it feels very personal.
Totally.
But it's automated, so you don't have to think about it every single time.
It's like those little touches.
Yes.
Like the follow-ups.
Yeah, exactly.
The reminders.
Yeah, and people appreciate that.
That's what shows you care.
Yeah, it shows you're on top of it.
Exactly.
You're organized.
And this next one, from like Hager's automation treasure chest.
Okay.
All about keeping those projects moving.
Okay.
We're talking equipment maintenance.
Oh, yes. Very important.
Okay, so
Keep those machines running.
Hager talks about like automating reminders for the servicing, the maintenance.
Right, because if that bulldozer breaks down,
Oh, yeah.
the whole it's done.
Everything stops.
It's over.
Right. And then your budget's blown. But by like automating these reminders,
Right.
you're going from like that reactive, oh no,
Yeah, the scramble.
to, okay, we've got this.
Proactive.
Yes. You know what I really appreciate about Hager?
Yeah.
He doesn't just like throw all this tech at you and he's like, all right, figure it out.
Right.
He really brings it back to like
Yeah.
the big picture of like running a construction company.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's not about, oh, automate for automation's sake.
Right.
It's how can this actually help your business?
Yeah. How can it free up your time,
Exactly.
your energy, your mental bandwidth to actually focus on the things that are going to move the needle?
Exactly. Like building those client relationships,
100%.
finding new opportunities, and ultimately, like growing your business.
That's what it's all about.
Right. So as we kind of wrap up our deep dive here into Hager's automation insights, we want to leave you with this.
Okay.
If you could automate just one task today in your construction work, what would it be?
Yeah, that's a great question.
What's that one thing that you're like, ugh?
Yeah, what's sucking the life out of your day?
Yes. What's taking up all your time?
Yeah.
What's giving you those headaches?
And preventing you from doing those bigger things.
Exactly. Because ultimately, Hager's message is really empowering.
It is. It's like, you've got the power to make a change.
You've got this.
You don't have to be overwhelmed by it.
Exactly.
Start small.
Start small.
Get a win under your belt.
Yes. And then go from there.
And, find those areas where automation can really make a difference.
Absolutely. And then you can focus on
Yeah.
what you do best.
Exactly.
Building amazing things.
There you go. I love it.